Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change voice to your video. Literally the process is pretty simple. Just follow me carefully. Look at, I already added a sample video in timeline. Let's play for checking.
Tea is the most consumed beverage in the world besides water. The antioxidants and vitamins found in herbal teas are highly effective for helping fight against disease and infections, protecting against oxidative stress, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases.
Did you hear the real voice? Now I'll split the video, just hit on here. After that choose this area and again hit on split option like this. At the moment there are 3 parts available. This is the first part and its second part, and that is the last part. Currently I select the first part. Now double click on it. After that you will get this interface. Now you have to go audio panel. Look at, this is audio panel. I simply hit on here. Finally, for changing the voice you have to use this option. Look at pitch. Please follow, I am choosing the slider point. Then you can increase it like this. I am increasing. Suppose for this first video part, I choose this dimension, which is called 4. Now I hit on OK. Now I select the second part. Afterwards double click on it like the before. Moreover choose the point like this. This time I will decrease it like this. I think this is cool. Finally I click on OK. Now I will select the last part. Look at, this is the last part. Actually in this part I don't want to change anything. Alright, now I will play the video for testing. So you just follow the voice carefully, okay?
Tea is the most consumed beverage in the world besides water. The antioxidants and vitamins found in herbal teas are highly effective for helping
fight against disease and infections, protecting against oxidative stress, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases.
We recommend Optimal Tea herbal infusions in our practice. Optimal Tea, healthy.
Does it make sense, guys? I hope you understand. Therefore, I guess in the simple way you can change voice to your video. Thank you very much for staying with me.